Welcome to today's video on the topic of mental health. Mental health is an essential aspect of overall well-being, yet it is often overlooked or stigmatized in society. In this video, we will explore what mental health is, why it is important, and how we can prioritize and improve our mental well-being. First and foremost, what exactly is mental health? Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, hello, and welcome. Today, we are going to delve into the important topic of mental health. In this fast-paced and demanding world we live in, taking care of our mental well-being is crucial. Whether you're aware of it or not, mental health affects every aspect of our lives, from our relationships, work performance, and overall happiness. It's time to break the stigma surrounding mental health and prioritize self-care. First and foremost, let's define what mental health actually means. Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also determines how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and the two are intricately connected. Taking care of your mental health is not a sign of weakness, but rather a sign of strength and self-awareness. It's important to recognize that we all have mental health, and it's normal to experience ups and downs. However, sometimes we may face challenges that affect our mental well-being. This could include stress at work, relationship issues, or the loss of a loved one. These challenges can take a toll on our mental health and may require additional support. It's crucial to reach out to professionals, such as therapists or counselors, who can provide guidance and help navigate these challenging times. Never be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Now let's talk about some practical ways to take care of your mental health. Firstly, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can significantly impact your mental well-being. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in regular physical activity. Exercise has been proven to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, boost self-esteem, and improve overall mental health. Additionally, make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading, painting, or spending time in nature. These activities can help to reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. Lastly, I want to emphasize the importance of social connections. Humans are social beings, and having a support system is crucial for our mental health. Cultivate and maintain relationships with friends and family who uplift and support you. Additionally, don't hesitate to reach out to others when you're struggling. Sometimes just talking about your feelings can provide immense relief. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. In conclusion, mental health is a vital aspect of our overall well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and behave. By prioritizing self-care, seeking support when needed, and engaging in activities that promote well-being, we can take proactive steps toward maintaining good mental health. Remember, you are worthy of happiness and your mental health matters. Thank you for joining me on this important discussion.